I'm using my, I forgot my lip gloss. Well, that's not as important right now. We will get the lip gloss. Should I go ahead and get the lip gloss now? I don't know. But anywho, so I love seeing women do at-home maternity shoots. With my first, I did one at home, and then I did a nice one, like a nice, more professional looking one. So I was like, I'm gonna do that again. Yeah. So we have some photos set up for later this month, but I literally today was like, today's the day. So I went to Trader Joe's and I got lots of greenery and some florals. And what I'll try and do is stick some pictures of some ideas that I got from social media. And I just absolutely fell in love with it. And it made me feel confident that I could pull them off. So this is the first one. I don't know where to sit everything. Should I have bought a table or something? So I'm thinking stack that. And then we'll stack the white on top. So you have some white ones. I was looking for baby's breath, but y'all, they didn't tell me that it's Game of Thrones at the they didn't tell me that it was Game of Thrones at the floral in Trader Joe's. And I feel some type of way because I ignorantly walked in extra slow and almost a little full of myself. Like, it's like, oh my God, I'm just gonna, I don't even know what these are called. Chrysanthemum? What do you call these? Jumbo mum balls. Cool. I walk in super leisurely. Like, I'm just gonna pick out some pretty colors, use my little Pinterest and little social media pictures. And of course, I didn't get any of those flowers. Like, I got none of those flowers, not one. So I walked in and the way these women were snatching these flowers, I was in complete shock, y'all. Like, when I say complete shock, it's like somebody could have had a camera on me, because I was like, or I'm like, oh, I love these white, like they were just, I was like, oh, the white, real crazy, okay, crazy. So I got a bunch of greens, love these. Now let's do the eucalyptus. We're gonna make it all pretty, but for now I just need to kind of open them up and see what we got. Then we're going to do a photo shoot, which I'm super excited about. These smell so good. Obviously, I mean, it's eucalyptus. I'm not going to act like I've never smelled eucalyptus before. Like, oh my God. I've smelled eucalyptus before, but I genuinely did not know it would fill up my house the way that it has. I just did not know it was going to do that. So we may have to put those on the bottom because she's big, she's thick, she's thick. Okay, and now we have some more, this deep purple assorted Asper bunch. Let me tell y'all, it doesn't even really matter what these names are. Let's keep it a buck. It doesn't matter what these names are. Let's be for real. Because I was in survival mode when I got to Trader Joe's and was just grabbing color. At this point, I wasn't going off of blends or names of flowers. I was in pure desperation just trying to make the colors work. So, child, I was like, Jesus, did I miss something? Was there a sale? Are these half off today? And they weren't. They were not half off. They were not half off. So they weren't anything. They were the prices they were. And I'm still so, oh, these are so pretty. When I put them up to the camera, ooh, so pretty. Yes, and this is my outfit for the shoot as well. If you saw in the photos, they have their bellies out with denim. And that just calls to me because I am such a denim girl, always have been, always will be. If God permits me in my 50s to still have great legs, I'm still gonna wear a good cutoff pair of shorts because I am a denim girl. You hear me? All day, always will be. So now let me show you what I'm thinking I got, because I got what was left over after being accosted at the Trader Joe's. And I'm not even sure how this is gonna turn out. So let's just see how it looks. Yep. We have our bouquet. Oh my God, it's kind of heavier than I thought. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh. Now I don't want them to be in such of a row. So maybe mix. Like, how do I get down here to these pink ones? OMG, these are beautiful. Like, if I do say so myself, I think I did a little something. Oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Okay, hold on. I think I did something, y'all. If I can just scoop these around a little bit and mix them up, like they don't have to be perfect. I'm on this new mission in life, y'all, that has got nothing to do with tea in China. Like, why do y'all care? But just trying not to have everything be so perfect. Like, I find my perfectionism gets in the way of my happiness. Long story, but I'm trying so hard not to be a perfectionist. So I'm thinking something like this. I'm going to add, maybe add a hat accessory. Oh, no, come back, sweetie. Oh, there you go. Let's let her light shine, 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 shine. Let her shine, baby, let her shine. Move out the way. Okay. This is more than I could have asked for. I'm actually going to cry because I feel so blessed that I can not try to always control the situation and just do my best. Good things like this come out. This makes me, y'all, little things make me happy. Like, I promise y'all, I am one of those, buy me a combo meal, I'm probably gonna go, oh my God, you care about me. Like, little things genuinely make me happy. She's looking a little sick. She's looking a little, can I pop that off? Boom. It's the little things. And I have just been spending a lot of time enjoying the little things. So, this is what I'm going for. Here's my hat, but I'm thinking something like this with the belly. Oh, I love these and they smell so good. I'm so proud of myself. These women seemed naked to me. I think they were naked, but if I can get away with wearing my top and not showing anything, I'm going to be so excited. Okay, so ma'am, I have asked you repeatedly not to steal the show and you're covering my face, so off you go. Oh, but then that's just sticking out. Oh, wait, just snap it off. There, period, there we go. Okay, y'all, boom. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna take my pictures and the next time you see me, I will show you my at-home maternity. Oh yeah, and to be honest, you guys can do it too. So if you're pregnant, if you're about to be a mama, look, find you a good brim hat. It doesn't even have to be this hat. One girl had on a cowboy hat. It was so pretty, but that's not, I have a cowboy hat, I have a couple, but that's not the aesthetic I was going for. But you guys, go to your, some of these are very sappy. Go get you a good pair of jeans out of your closet, get you a floral arrangement, make it up, use this, go to Trader Joe's, grab your own, do your hair. I slapped this wig on because if I told you my past 3 days, you wouldn't believe me how busy I have been. And busy I'm using to no stretch of the imagination. So I ran to the store, I grabbed these, they gave me a bucket. I came home, I slapped this wig on. I hope she looks as good as she looks in the viewfinder. And if I can do this, y'all, you can do it. So if you like this idea, give it a try and send me a message of you trying it. Like, send me a picture or just tag me or something so that I can see you trying it, because I think this is so cute. This is so adorable. So I'm gonna figure out how to pose, and I don't know. I don't even know if this is the right lighting that I wanna use, but this is what we're gonna work with. This is just, the sun refuses to come out. The sun refuses to come out, so whatever. So next video, you guys, or next pictures, I'll just show you guys my end results. And until then, I'll talk to you later. Bye. I'm burnt. I'm burnt. When I tell you, I took 100 photos, okay? It ain't Texas, and we don't hold them. I just threw the flowers down. Some of the little heads came off. I'm burnt. My knees are burnt. I was using socks as knee pads. Look at this mess. I've done all I can do. I've done all I can do. This is it. I'm gonna edit this stuff out. Edit this out. And I promise, out of something I took, I pray there's a good picture in there. I only need one. I only need one out of 100. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Like, I don't even know how I'm going to get off the floor. I don't know how I'm going to get off the floor. This is crazy.